Continue my tour of duty. Continue monitoring to my area of responsibility. And being a security guard is being a big responsibility. Hindi yung poporma ka lang at nagpapapogi. Ikaw, pogi ka ba? Eto, another round robin to my area of responsibility. Continue monitoring pa rin. And standby here for another monitoring. Maya-maya, mag-aalas 6 na. Picture na naman. Dahil malapit nang dumilim, nilabas ko na ang aking napakaliwanag na flashlight. Super bright, super liwanag.